It's Sunday, or maybe Monday for you, depending on where you are in the world and when you are watching this video, of course. This session you're about to see happened here in Toulouse, took place here in Toulouse a few months ago, earlier this summer, and I thought that you would be interested in watching a few behind-the-scenes clips from that particular session. So, a ballerina photo shoot here in Toulouse. Without further ado, let's go. Last time I did a photo shoot there was also with a ballerina, but with the GFX50s and the GF23mm and GF32 to 64mm lens, and I think a few others, but I can't remember which ones. Although I was obsessed at the time with prime lenses, I never considered owning the GF23mm. And the 32 to 64mm is a great lens, but no, this lens, this zoom lens, is not for me. And when I fully jumped into the GFX train, I purchased the GF30mm, my favorite wide-angle lens, the GF50mm, which is always on my camera body, and the GF80mm, which is right now my favorite portrait lens. But if you watch some of my previous videos, you will see me use other lenses that I often borrow or rent. For example, the GF110f2 that I really love and consider purchasing hopefully in the near future. The GF250, I really loved my experience with it, but I feel it's not for me. A bit too long, a bit too heavy, and too expensive. Until very recently, I felt that we were missing options in the wide-angle lenses. But you probably heard the news. Fujifilm just announced the GF20 to 35mm. And when I think about it, it would have been great to have that lens for that particular session. Can you hear me, Fujifilm? Gear-wise for this session, I used the GODOX AD1200 Pro with the PHOTIX Raja 105 light modifier and the GFX100s, GF30mm and GF80mm f1.7 that I always used, at least for this session, wide open. I had the amazing Louise Jabri for this session that day, and we were lucky enough that morning to not have that many people walking around the museum. folks, for this one. I hope you enjoyed this quick behind the scenes video. The Boxer, my portrait video of athlete Anissa Ben-Youb, is now available on my second YouTube channel. So if you missed it, go check it out. The link is down below. And of course, the behind the scenes video, the making of this video, is already on this channel. I hope that I will catch you in the next one. I guess that I will catch you in the next one. Until then, please have a good one.